Welcome to our tutorial video on how to install the Arduino IDE. In this video, we'll be showing you the step-by-step on how to download and set up your Arduino integrated development environment on your computer. Go to the Arduino website by typing the arduino.cc on your web browser. Click on the Software tab on the top menu and then select the appropriate version of your Arduino IDE for your operating system. This Arduino version is in 2.0.3, so in many years, there's a lot of changes in the firmware. Right now, there's no hassle to download additional drivers. Now, I'm download this in a Windows version and then just click download. Once the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the prompts to install the software. Make sure to select the destination folder where you want the Arduino IDE to be installed. After the installation is complete, open the Arduino IDE by going to the Start menu or by double-clicking on the shortcut icon on your desktop. When the Arduino IDE pops its windows, you will see the command prompt. Before you can start using the Arduino IDE, you will need to install the drivers for a specific Arduino board. To do this, go to the Tools menu and select Boards. In this case, I'm using the Arduino Uno latest version. For the port menu, we can select our communications port you're using when the USB of the Arduino is connected. To prompt this, if you can't find your specific ports, you can go to your device manager and then in the ports menu, you can see and configure your peripherals connected to it. Now I'm connecting my Arduino Uno to the USB port of my computer. And then, as you can see, the IDE recognizes the Arduino board in the COM27 port. I'm gonna click that. Also, don't forget you have an option to select other ports and ports. And as you can see, the specific device connected to it. So in the device manager, the COM27 port is connected as a peripheral to the Arduino. Now you're ready to explore the IDE and we have the Sketchbook, Boards Manager, Library Manager, Debug, and Search. You are now ready to start writing code and uploading it to your Arduino board. But first, we go to the File menu and then drop to the Examples and Basic. Then select the blink, which our IDE will pop another window. I'm going to verify this code to ready itself in uploading. And then once done, the output window pops out and you can see the message clarifying that the codes are correct. Make sure you're selecting the Arduino Uno board. Now in our next procedure, we're going to make an Arduino code based on our schematic diagram of LEDs and push buttons, where if task switch number 1 is pressed, the LEDs will blink alternately, and for switch number 2, it will be simultaneously. Now I'm gonna clear the new sketch and start the coding process. It also uses the constant variables LED pin 1, LED pin 2, switch 1, and switch 2 to define the pin number of the LEDs and the switches. This makes it easy to change the pin number and then make the code more readable. This code uses the pin mode and digital read functions to set the switch 1 and switch 2 pins as input, and digital write functions to control the state of the LEDs. Let's verify the code. And voila! The coding process is complete. In order to upload properly, you need to specify the boards and ports first. Let's see the output of our codes. Whenever I press the switch 1, the blink goes alternate. Whenever I press the switch 2, the blink goes simultaneously. And that's it! You have successfully installed the Arduino IDE and now you are ready to start creating your own projects.